Hey everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make throw pillows for the Lolo, because we all know that the larger the pillow, the more the cost. Now here's a screenshot just showing you different options of when you Google certain pillows. Now here's a 2-pack for $14.99 of a pillow cover. Not bad, I still was able to get mine cheaper. This one pillow right here is $31 and it's not even a 24 by 24. So this screenshot is basically just an example to show you how pricey accent pillows can get, and I just want a solid black one for my decor. I thought I hit the jackpot here on Etsy's website when I see this pillow for $2.97. Like, what? So I click on this link, go to Etsy, realize they don't even have any option bigger than a 20 by 20, and the 20 by 20 pillow itself was $40. Now, if you spend $40 on 5 pillows, you know, it can kind of add up. So let's cut costs where we can. So the first thing that you're going to need is a pillow cover. I got this from eBay for like $3, you guys. And this is a 24 by 24 inch pillow cover. I'm going to be using an old pillow that I had. Now, you don't have to get it the exact same size. This is just going to help fill inside the pillowcase so you don't have to use as much polyfill. And speaking of polyfill, that will be the next and the last thing that you will need for this project. I got my polyfill from Michael's, and I used the 50% off coupon, which basically brought the polyfill to like $3 and some change. Now obviously this is a pretty self-explanatory process, but I'm still going to explain what I'm doing. So I'm going to be opening the pillow cover. Again, this is a 24 by 24 inch pillow cover, and I'm going to be inserting my old pillow in there. These pillows just didn't go with my decor anymore, and instead of spending $50 on a pillow, I decided just to reuse it. So I'm just going to stick this inside of the pillow cover, and I'm going to shift the pillow to one side of the pillow cover. So I'm not just going to have it in the middle, I'm going to shift it to a side. Next, I'm going to take my polyfill and I'm going to basically put the polyfill around the pillow that's inside of the cover. And I'm going to make sure that I'm really inserting the polyfill in the corners of the pillow cover, just because I don't want to have like flimsy corners. That just bothers me. Personal preference. You can stuff it any way that you like. This is your pillow. But what I'm doing is I'm just going to stuff the polyfill all around, making sure that I have it around the edges so the pillow can stay up and be nice and neat. And I'm going to make sure that the polyfill is flat inside of the pillow. So now I have pretty much stuffed the pillow to my liking. Just gonna double check, make sure I smooth out any wrinkles and or lumps that is in the pillow. And yes, I probably should have ironed my pillowcase before, but I just knew that over time the problem would fix itself and my pillow will become unwrinkled. So I wasn't really worried about it. If you want to, definitely iron your pillow or steam your pillow before so you don't have wrinkles in it. And then after that, I'm just going to zip up my pillow cover, trying to make sure I avoid getting any of the polyfill caught in the track of the zipper. And then you guys, that's it. I'm going to give this pillow one more good pat down to make sure that I smooth out any of the lumps or bumps caused by the polyfill. And then there's your pillow. I got all 3 pillows from eBay, and I'll have a link in the description box, for $10 and some change. I got 2 bags of polyfill, and I actually did use 1.5 bags. I used the 50% off coupon for Michael's. Again, link is in the description box. And I used old pillows, which was free. And this is just a clip to show you how it looks on my bed. I did have them on my bed, and you guys, I absolutely love it. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!